Yo, J-Hope just released Hope on the Street Volume 1. Damn, we got Volume 1. It's gonna be Volume 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I bet it's gonna be 7. J-Hope just came out with Neuron. I think it's Neuron. I don't know. Please correct me if I'm saying it wrong, because your boy be saying things wrong sometimes. You know, I'm a human being. But Neuron, Neuron with Gaeko and yoonmirae, which is already a fucking fire collaboration. yoonmirae? It's been a minute since I heard her spit her shit, bro. And Gaeko? Legend right there. If you guys don't know, go look them up. They're really badass. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into this J-Hope Neuron. Yeah, official motion picture. We're not doing music videos. We do official motion pictures. Anyways, let's get it in 3, 2, 1, pop. Is it captions? Nope, of course. Yup. Big hit. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. I forgot what he called that. Wait, hold on. One second. Can I actually look up? I'm gonna look up Neuron. So, just to clarify, just for my knowledge and everybody that doesn't know, neurons are nerves. I'm dealing with the army, so they usually do know. But neurons are nerve cells that send message all over the body to allow you to do everything from breathing, talking, eating, and walking and thinking. So my neurons are working right now as I'm making this video. Okay, bet. Like neuron attention. Neuron ain't enough. Ooh. Ooh. So a play on what neuron as nerve system nerves. Wait, go back. I'm alive. Time. And my nerves are working again like again. Woo. I like that he always uses those boom bap type of beats too. Damn, we got lifting. Say it again. Move. Hey. Ooh. It's like Citizens and him just photographing. Ooh. Oh, the sketches are fire. Is that again? Attention. Ain't enough. All my neurons are responding. Like running too as well, obviously. Ooh, okay, color. Ooh. Ooh, Gaeko. Ooh, I love the instrumental too. Oh, dog. Ooh. Hey. Soul chiller. Make some white noise. Ooh. Damn, this got me uplifting like I gotta do something, you know what I'm saying? Damn, what happened? From old to young. Why does it feel like a Nike commercial or something like that? It's better than a Nike commercial. yoonmirae! Woo! Oh, her part is just fine. That give me chills. Bro, I knew when she was a part of this, it's gonna be like lit. Come on, let's go. J-Hope, yoonmirae. Hey. Woo, the kid dancing. Woo! Wait, I know this kid. I've seen this kid dance before. Woo! J-Hope gave T, Tasha, the beat drop. I think so, right? Woo! Damn, talk your shit. J-Hope gave me the beat drop, gave me the best spot. We living. Woo! All about. Get it. Say it. Say it. Oh, and her singing in the background too. Hey. Oh, he's creating a connection basically. Yeah, he was killing it too. I definitely seen him dance somewhere else. The kid. Oh. Oh, is that him now? Damn. The connection. Neuron. Everything's connecting like all the nerves. Even without knowing each other's stories, we create moments of love that bridge the gap. Damn. Bro, I swear to God, every time I listen to something BTS related, whether it be a solo or anything, I learn something and it gets me teary-eyed because that's some shit that's so nice. Even without even knowing each other's stories, we create moments of love that bridge the gap. Love that message. Love that message. Oof. Gaeko, yoonmirae. Damn, J-Hope. Hold up. Whoa. That got me thinking, bro. Like the last one when you were like working with J. Cole. First of all, that was an iconic collab. I don't think people realize how big of a collab that is. But J-Hope and J. Cole, that one got me thinking. Now this one got me thinking. And I feel like Gaeko, his part definitely got me thinking. But yoonmirae's part is the one I'm just like even jammed even more to. But overall, really good. I feel like I have to check out. Is it out on Spotify already? Let me double check. J-Hope. Yeah. Or is it somewhere else? Oh yeah, Hope on the Street. Oh my God. I Wonder with Jungkook. Oh, he has a song with Benny Blanco. And Now Rogers. Everybody working with Now Rogers? Oh, I don't know, with Ha Yoonjin of the Seraphim. What If Dance Mix. Oh, I might have to check this out. I'm gonna check this out. I'm gonna upload this on my Patreon, which you guys could check out. It is free to join my Patreon. You can also subscribe for $1. But I'm gonna put this up. I'm gonna put up a first listen to Hope on the Street Volume on my Patreon if you guys don't mind. And yeah, I'll work on that right now. I definitely want to just get into this and listen to this. So hold up.
Hey, you better subscribe. Sound with my thug, right? Sound with my thug.